Hi guys, good morning. This is your Megaworld agent Vince Ong, and right now I'm here in front of the upcoming Metro Manila Subway Project, Kalayaan Station. So this subway station is one of the 4 stations inside Fort Bonifacio, Taguig, which is going to be located inside Uptown Bonifacio Township by Megaworld Corporation. So it's located along 11th Avenue and 38th Street. So ang mga nearby areas natin is the Toyota Global City. We're near to Uptown Parade. This is actually behind Uptown Parade area. Tapos katabi naman yung Bikes and Coffee and the new International Finance Center or the new building of JP Morgan Chase. Number 2 na. Okay, so check natin yung whole community ng Uptown Bonifacio. So the Metro Manila Subway Project is the project of the century here in the Philippines. So it is expected to be completed by around 2032-2033. And the good thing about the Metro Manila Subway Project is it will be passing through the whole Metro Manila from the name itself. So dadaan yan sa Valenzuela, Quezon City, Pasig, Taguig, and Airport. And good news, like what I have mentioned a while ago dun sa baba, that for Taguig area, we would be having 4 stations. And one of the station is called Kalayaan Station, that is near or inside Uptown Bonifacio Township. Second station is the Bonifacio Global City Station, which is near Market and SM Ora. Third Taguig station is called Loton East Station near McKinley Hill and McKinley West projects of Megaworld again. Then the last station in Taguig is called Loton West Station, that is near the new Senate. After nun, it's already NAIA Terminal P. So imagine the convenience of living here inside Megaworld's Township, mapa-Uptown Bonifacio man kayo or McKinley West and McKinley Hill, you would be having direct access to the whole Metro Manila by 2032. So behind me guys is the JP Morgan building number 1 and meron silang 2 buildings here in Uptown Bonifacio. So this one, which is now behind me, is their second building, the International Finance Center. We also have Alliance Global, which is the headquarters of Megaworld Corporation, and 3 BPO towers, which is the headquarters of the BPO offices such as the Accenture, Carelon, and Google. Andito rin guys yung Tesla showroom natin. And just behind Uptown Mall, add ko lang, we also have Toyota Global City, Uptown Eastgate, which is now the headquarters of Coca-Cola and Mead Johnson, and malapit lang din tayo sa international schools such as American, British, and Japanese. So guys, this is the 15.4 hectare township of Megaworld, the Uptown Bonifacio, and ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa part ng residential projects. What I like about BGC is that malalawak yung mga sidewalks natin dito and it's very pedestrian friendly. Walkable, mahangin, and at the same time para tayo na sa ibang bansa. And if nakikita nyo na sa likod ko, we have actually a marshal patrolling the township. That's one feature that you will be getting if you've invested inside a Megaworld Township. Aside from that, meron din tayong mga surveillance to patrol the area. So hindi lang yung townships natin here in BGC, but across the Philippines, the 37 townships of Megaworld. And dito, specifically inside Uptown Bonifacio, we have 4 malls nearby. First is Uptown Parade, kung nasan tayo, where we have the services, nightlife, like nightclubs, and at the same time, international cuisines. Then dun naman sa part na yun is where the Uptown Mall is located. So it's actually very famous for the dancing fountains na may music similar to Las Vegas. And on this part is where the Landers is located. So for those who doesn't know what Landers is, it's actually a membership shopping similar to Costco. And behind Landers is actually the Japanese Mitsukoshi Mall. St. Michael Parish Church is just near Uptown Bonifacio as well. And aside from that, we also have a church, St. Gabriel at Uptown Mall. So imagine guys, this is what you can get living inside BGC. Lahat ng kailangan nyo, andito na. From churches, to hospital, to malls, to international schools, and multinational companies. What more can you ask for? If you're looking for your retirement home or your next property, Uptown Modern might be for you. And this is the exact address of Uptown Modern. So it's located along 9th Avenue, corner 40th Street, and this is the building that's being constructed right behind me. So turnover is by June 2031, and it's still open to Filipino and foreign buyers. So we have a special promo of no down payment, 6 years to pay at 0% interest. Unit offerings are studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and a 3 bedroom unit, and price starts at 18 million pesos. So, if you're interested with Uptown Modern, my contact details are down below. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!